Welcome to Mother Cluckers Chicken Farm, the ultimate destination for all things chicken related. Whether you're a seasoned poultry enthusiast or a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of backyard chickens, you're in the right place. I'm Debbie, and on this channel, we'll be exploring tips and tricks for raising happy and healthy hens without breaking the bank. Get ready for a clucking good time as we embark on this budget-friendly chicken keeping adventure together. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our fluffy flock here at Mother Cluckers Chicken Farm. Let's raise happy hens without breaking the bank. Keeping chickens doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. In fact, with a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can create a thriving flock on a budget. We'll be exploring tips and tricks for raising happy and healthy hens without breaking the bank.